everybody, welcome back with another video. So as y'all can see, I'm playing with my slime. So today I'm going to show y'all how to make y'all slime unsticky. So my slime is very sticky. Y'all was very sticky, but one thing I did was I just kept mixing it like this. And that's what you're supposed to do to make your slime unsticky. As these get hard, you add lotion, but you don't have to add this kind of lotion. Don't matter what kind. Could be old, could be new, but y'all, this is new. I got this one, so yeah. But y'all, the reason I haven't been posting today is because I haven't been posting a lot because I'm going through a situation right now for me about something. But I'm gonna keep it from YouTube because YouTube can only make it better. But I'm just gonna keep it from you guys. So yeah, but my slime is becoming hard, like, but if I add more lotion, then my slime is gonna get sticky again. So I'm gonna try to make it sticky again, so I can tell y'all. And so I'm just pour this out. Now it's sticky. So if it reacts like this, that means that it's sticky because you added too much lotion. If you add too much lotion, then your slime can become like this. If you want it to be like this, then you add a lot of lotion. Y'all, like my slime to be kind of sticky, but not as sticky as this.
Who are you talking to?
Oh, I'm doing a video on YouTube. So you just mix it and mix. So you just mix and mix and mix like this until you get it unsticky how you want it to. So I'm just gonna mix and mix until y'all, my slime is not that sticky yet. Y'all still sticky, but I'm just gonna keep mixing how I told y'all to. So yeah, I'm just gonna, so y'all can see that it's actually sticky, but it's not as sticky as it just was like a couple of minutes ago. And then you can eat it like this, like piece it up, to roll it up and just do it like this. But either way you do it, it's still like this. But this is how you mix it, and this is how I need my slime. If you need your slime like this, like this, if you need it like this, then you might mix it like this. But I don't know how y'all need your slime, but show y'all advice about slime. So this is how I need my slime. So yeah, and y'all don't know, y'all follow. I'm gonna put my Instagram name down up in the description box below. And but y'all keep kneading your slime and mixing it. Y'all, that mean that your lotion, your slime is sticky. Mean that your lotion is not mixed in good enough. And y'all, apparently my slime is still sticky, so my lotion's not mixed in good enough. But y'all, I'm just gonna keep mixing it and kneading it. I shall see y'all in 1 minute. So it's done been a minute later, and so y'all, this is how my slime is. Y'all, it's not sticky to me, for real. So yeah, this is how it looks. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in a container, and y'all make sure y'all had added these couple nails, had lotion down here. But I got tired of the lotion getting everywhere up in the container. Y'all, this is the container. Y'all, the top broke off. Used to be nails up in here, but I don't know what it is. These were the few nails that's up in there. Yeah, this is how you. Yeah, I want to hear the poke. Kind of. So, yeah, I don't want to do the post right now, but it just did it a couple seconds ago. Y'all, I'm going to keep mixing because y'all, I just want to keep mixing, so keep mixing it. Y'all, it's kind of fun kneading and mixing y'all slime, so I keep doing it so fast, y'all. So, yeah, I'm going to keep mixing it because it's very fun. Now, I'm going to show y'all how to make y'all slime unsticky. So I'm gonna keep mixing it until it's hard. So I'm gonna keep mixing it. Then when it start getting hard, you should start going slow. Y'all, it's beginning to be hard. Y'all, it's beginning to be hard. But y'all want it to be very hard. I'm trying to make it harder than this. Y'all, it's still kind of soft.
Who are you talking to?
I'm doing. She's annoying. Yeah, I'm tired. And I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go live on this. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little lotion because some done got hard enough. So y'all, I bet it's finna come back sticky. So I'm just finna go. I'm done with this slime. Y'all heard that? So y'all. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and so y'all follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna link my Instagram down below in the comment section. I mean in the I'm gonna put my Instagram up in the description box down below. Y'all make sure y'all look in the description and follow me on Instagram. Y'all make sure y'all do that. So